Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Peggy. Today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial about how to make a maximum cutest white floral puffy sleeve baby doll dress. The baby doll is back and better than ever. Lightweight woven floral cotton shaped this absolutely adorable midi dress with a square neckline, princess seams bodice, and long puff baby doll sleeve with elastic cuff elevate this look. The maximum cuteness white floral puffy sleeve baby doll dress is a real-life dreamy dress. This baby doll dress fits in perfectly in collections of dresses for everyone, whatever your style. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Here's the cute creations for today. Thank you so much for watching and do tag me if you decide to make this top. I really love seeing your creations as always. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in comments down below and I will try to answer all the questions I can. Have a nice day. I will see you on my next video. Bye!